Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the static methods. Okay, static methods. Static methods can be called directly without creating an instance of the class first. That means when we call normal methods, we have to create instance. That means using new keyword, we have to create the object. Then after that, we can call the method. But when it's come to static, we can directly call without any instance. That means we don't need to create new object. And static methods are declared with the static keyword. Yeah, static method declared using the static keyword. Let's jump into the code example to understand this. Okay, I will create a class, called user. Within this user class, I will create a public static function called get user info. Okay, it will return user is Sam. Okay, and also here now we can, as you can see here, I have created static methods. We can call these static methods directly without creating any objects. Echo user statically get info. Yeah, now we can get value of this method. Yeah, you can see it's returning the method's value. Okay, now let's say if we have extended class admin, extend user. Okay, then let's say we have a methods property called public property called name. I will add the public function constructor as well. And here we can say now we extended our user class. Then our parent is user. Then we can initiate this value name. Sorry, name using our parent. That means the one way that there's a several ways to use these static methods. One way is we can using a parent keyword, we can refer that static method get user info. Okay, now this name have this value. That means if we need to get info, we create new normal return normal function dollar this name. Okay. Mm, to get the value, we need to create object uh, admin object equal to new admin, and here we can echo dollar admin object uh, get info. Okay, right now we have we can access static method using normal method like this. We have parent class static method. Using parent keyword, we access the parent class static method. And also we can access this as a self. Like this also we can access. Uh, it will work. And also another way is that within the inside of this class, we can directly access this method like this, as you can see. Now, and also we don't need to extend this. Without extending, now we can access this user get user info static method. We can access statically without extending. It's also work. Likewise, there's a several way we can access these static methods. That means if the access modifier is a public, then we can access anywhere from the outside from the class, inside from the class, or anywhere from the class structure we can access. If it is statically created, that means we can statically access the method. Uh, I hope you guys understand the static methods and how access those methods using directly without creating instance. I hope you guys enjoy this video and thank you very much for watching my videos. Let's meet with the next video.